Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It. It is Tuesday, learning acrylics. We're going to start with a Christmas manicure. And I'm using some Gucci bears that I'll be applying with magnets on this nail. I'm using some Christmas glitter over here by Charlie's Nail Art. It's called Winter Chill. And it's this beautiful fine mix with some snowflakes. You can get this at charliesnailart.co.uk, and I am a brand ambassador for her company. You can use my code to save yourself 10% off, and it is NailedIt10, all in caps. The Gucci bear that I'm using, it is from brcnailstipsxpieces.com. I've applied the magnet on the back. It's a 5mm. So we'll be doing that, applying that to this nail. Glitter's going here, and I'm going to encapsulate. So let me get my glitter. And there's a garbage truck outside at 6 o'clock at night. Let me get some of them. I'll get some wet acrylic on the nail first. I think I did this too wet. Too wet. Let's try and dab some of this off. And I got a snowflake stuck to my index finger. And we're going to let this travel down the nail to the best of our ability. I'm going to go in with another bead. Just travel down the nail. I think this is really beautiful glitter. Real beautiful glitter. I've got the Charlie's Advent Calendar box that I'll be starting on December 1st. 24 days of Christmas. I cannot wait. So we are going to let this sit for just a minute. And then I have to encapsulate. Just a moment until we are using the clear by the nail Junkie, Chica. I'm a brand ambassador for her company as well. NaileditQueen, the N and the Q are capitalized, and save yourself 20% off her acrylics with my code. Alright, we are now going to encapsulate the blue. I think I need more monomer. I do. I need to fill up my monomer. Tap, tap. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Not too big of a bead. Fan backwards the bead a little bit. Instagram. Make sure you tap your sides in. Keep your sides tapped, tucked. There we go, we are encapsulated. I'm sorry. I'm going to clean up my mess. I'm going to let my nail set. And we will come back to top coat and to put our bear on. Remember where I left off, so we're going to recap. We've got 5 acrylic nails here. I got my clear and my chocolatey brown from the Nail Junkie. This is called Teddy. I think it's fitting because of the teddy bear. On the blue nail, we have got, I already put it away, didn't I? I sure did. Beautiful blue glitter that I encapsulated. We have got some Swarovskis, a magnet, the bear, which I already had the magnet on the back. So we're just recapping here. I'm going to put the magnet on this nail, so we're going to top coat it to seal it in. I'm going to pop this in the lamp, give it a full cure, and work with the rest of my nails. I think these turned out really beautiful. Yes, I'm going to top coat the blue one last. I think these are stunning. Whoops. Whoopsie. Beautiful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos, all giveaways, anything happening on Just Nailed It. Here are our nails. I think they are beautiful. I've got one lone little snowflake that I'm just going to add on top of there. We got one up here, so that's alright. Pop these in the lamp, give these a full 60-second cure. Now we need to add on some rhinestone glue to, whoopsie, to hold our teddy in place. Alright, we are back out of the lamp. We're going to try this one more time. So I'm going to take the, shoot, that was close, bud. I'm going to take the rhinestone glue, put it on the bottom of the magnet, and I want to whoops. Don't stare at the light. Just going to try to get this little cure here. I can't stick it in the lamp because I don't think it's going to get underneath. Okay. We are done. We have got our bear magnet. And that is a Gucci bear. Let me get my other nails out of the lamp. Now I am going to re-top coat. And I'm going to add a Swarovski to each of the brown. Wait a minute. I don't know how to do this. Sorry, I'm being really quiet. Just lost in thought, concentrating here, trying to figure out where exactly what nails I'm putting the Swarovskis on. I positively know those. Should we leave it at that? What do you think? Besides that we have a slider here. I don't know where if I should put the other one on the star. Put it up here. I think we'll leave it like that. Put this in the lamp for a 60-second cure. And we will be back. Alrighty, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. We have got our Swarovski crystals blinging in the light. I think these turned out really pretty. And the blue glitter nail. And our Gucci bear. Gucci, Gucci, Gucci. Merry Christmas, everyone. I know it's early. It's too early to be saying that. But I will say this. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell. Have a blessed day, and thank you.